Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to create this. So now let's get straight into it. You will need a type A and type B silicone. You can get this from SFS Mart on Instagram. You need a mixing jar where you pour in your alginate for molding. Make sure it's a jar that can fit in your fist or any other part of your body you would like to replicate. So now this is an alginate, it's a molding powder. It is great for creating molds. You need a mixing cup to mix your type A and B, equal part type A and B silicone. And you would also need a foundation just to have your pigment, and lastly you need water. So we're going to be mixing our alginate in this jar. You're going to mix equal parts of alginate, same ratio, 1:1, with water. Mind you, the working time for this alginate is 5 minutes, so you have to be fast. So the alginate has different stages. The first stage is the powdery form. The second stage is the pink color. When it turns pink, that is when your working time starts. And at the point where it turns white, that is when it cures. And at that point, you can't really do anything with it again if you haven't put in your fist or any other thing you want to replicate. So right now, as you can see, it has turned white. So at this point, I'm checking if it has cured, and yes, it has cured. As you can see, everything is totally white. So I am gently going to pull out my hand from the mold. While doing this, you do it very carefully so that you do not destroy your mold. This is our mold, and this is what it looks like inside. This alginate is really good. You should get yours from SFS Mart on Instagram. Now let's get straight into the casting. So we're going to mix equal parts type A and type B. You need to mix thoroughly, and then add your pigment. Now we're going to pour in our silicone into the mold. You pour it from a distance, and this is done to avoid air bubbles. Once you're done with that, you shake the jar just to make every air bubble escape. And now this is 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes after pouring the silicone, and it has cured. This is a gel 10 silicone. It is suitable for skin texture, skin-like prosthetics, and you can get this from SFS Mart. So now is the demolding time. Gently take out your silicone from your mold. And here is your prosthetics, guys. This is so beautiful. Please guys, if you've watched up to this point, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Your encouragement goes a long way. Putting all of this together is solely because of you guys, so I'd love to see your comments, your shares, your likes, and you subscribing as well. So please hit the subscribe button. So basically I'm just trimming out parts that didn't come out well. So this is what we have, and the next part is the painting part. So I'll be using Skin Illustrator palette from SFS Mart. This is the skin shade. I'm going to use this to paint the entire prosthetics. So here's the final look, guys. I hope you learned one or two. I would see you in my next video, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. So for the next tutorial, we are going to be creating something amazing, and that is this. So do not forget to turn on your post notification and get notified when this tutorial drops. All right, bye guys.